Oh my god, guys, it's finally here. It's finally here. My new space monitor. Okay, this video is not sponsored, by the way. It's just that I'm so fucking excited that I got a new monitor that's not 1080p 60 fucking hertz in 2020. Even 75 hertz is something like normal. Mine is just pure shit. 60 hertz? My N word. What the fuck? So we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm just gonna adjust the camera real quick, and then we're gonna fuck the box. Yes, I'm just gonna put my weebie in this bitch. Huh? Are you ready? By the way, okay, yeah, let's go. All jokes aside, by the way, this box is extremely light, so I'm actually a bit afraid that it might, like, not be the monitor. I might got, like, scammed from, like, fucking Vibe.uk N-word, yes. As you guys can see, in the box, it says Space Monitor. So apparently it's WQHD, which means 2560 by 1440, which is like 2K resolution. It has a clamp type stand, so yeah, it's not gonna take that much space. Oh, it's 144 hertz refresh rate, and it has FreeSync. I'm always scared whenever I have boxes like these. Like, I'm scared that I might like fuck up like the stuff that I order before I even open it. So yeah. Oh, okay, we have a really good start now because they actually didn't put the monitor like right away and ruin the fucking surprise, even though I know what I'm getting. Okay, we have this like plastic bag which has the charger, the HDMI cable, hopefully the mini HDMI cable as well, and the power cable, I think. And there's this like weird thing. Okay, so the end is like an L shape instead of like a straight, you know, like a power cable. Yeah, and also there's this one thing in the box which might be the VESA adapter. We'll see what that is after we, you know, unpack everything. So, okay, this is 100% this fucking stand. Yeah, this is 100% the stand. Even though it looks really big on camera, it's actually not that big. It says ASCII stand body. What the fuck is that ASCII stand body? It has some code, so I cannot show you guys, but it says ass. Ass Y. Oh my god, look at it, it's so big. I'm gonna watch so much porn on this. Okay, so this is the stand. It looks very classy. That part right here is for all the cables to go through here, because I think you'll only... What am I even doing? I think... Okay, this part is for cables because, like, you know, you'll only use like 2 to like 3 cables, I think, at once for this monitor. So yeah, it's pretty cool addition. And also they added the screws to the stand in shipping, so all I have to do is, like, you know, tighten them. So weirdly, they have this weird cable where there are these 2 HDMI inputs and there's this one with like a power output or something. It's so weird. Okay, this is Samyang. What am I getting? Scamyang? There's this user manual as a CD. Who the fuck uses a CD in 2020? What the fuck, grow up. And there are these extra documents which no one actually reads. And oh boy, it is time. Okay, so I screwed in the monitor stand. Now all there is left to do is to, you know, stop the video and then continue when I have it, you know, set up. Okay guys, so I realized something really cool. Now, when I was unboxing everything, I thought that all of these cables were something separate, you know, like for different uses, but it's actually all the same fucking cable. Now look at this, alright? Your mind is gonna be fucking balloon. So you know, you have your power cable, right, and you have your HDMI cable. Now, in a normal situation, you would plug these separately, right, to the monitor. Oh, by the way, I realized that that plastic extra part was actually a cover for the VESA mount, or that, you know, like the mount part of the monitor. Yeah, and also, yeah, this is what I was saying, alright? So this part of the HDMI goes to the actual source, and this part we can plug. Fuck, come on, man! Don't lay me down. Okay, yeah, this is the power plug part. So we can plug our power plug like this, and boom, one single fucking cable. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, as you guys know, this was my second old monitor, and the new one that I got, it's actually my like main monitor right now. So, are you ready for the reveal? Oh, it actually looks amazing. Like, look at this. It takes literally like no space. Look at this. Hold up, bang bang bang. In my like perspective, like what I'm seeing, there's this kind of like this like brownish like sepia kind of like taint over everything. So that's a bit of a problem for me. It still looks amazing in my opinion. I'm not sad about it or anything. So let's go here. Now, this looks more realistic, and it, you know, shows like whites like perfectly in my opinion. It doesn't have that sepia kind of like thing, like brownish color on it. First experience, it's perfect. I'm happy with everything that this monitor has. It promised on every single aspect except the color part. But like I said, maybe after a few adjustments, I might be much more happy with it. But you know, this is not a review. This is just an unboxing video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.